What's up, everybody? It's Wolf. How you guys doing today? We're back working on the mini bike. I'm trying to dial it in a little bit. So obviously in the last video, it was riding. It's no longer really riding per se. The issue is the jack shaft keeps moving, and this clutch keeps getting loose, and it keeps popping and falling off. So yeah, here we are. Okay, friends. So like I said, I gotta move the engine to be able to get in here to essentially screw this into the mini bike frame. We're getting somewhere. Hopefully this helps, because like some of the bolts were snapping and like it just wasn't going well. So I'm hoping that this will change that for us, possibly. I'm really hoping this is like our final solution, because like I just want to ride it. And I don't want to have to fix it every time I want to ride it. That's what I'm running into, is like I gotta literally adjust this shit every single time I want to ride it, and that's not fun. You know, like who wants to do that? Obviously, nobody. And then we got the go-kart in the background. That's gonna be fun. Okay, so I got smart. I did this back one first. I don't know, dude. I'm not having a good night, really. It is what it is, though. Shit, wait, we have one right here. What do we need? I don't know. I guess this little one? Or wait, is there one on? There's one on there, never mind. We just need to put one on and hope that we can get the last one on. And then we'll see if it drives. I don't know. This is kind of loose, but the other one's fucking tight, so probably not gonna go well. But, you know, we'll see what the fuck happens, I guess, right? Okay, so the only problem we're facing now is this one, I think, is stripped, so. Doesn't want to come out, dude. Alright, well, it's almost 8 o'clock. I had to make some adjustments because the one that was in over here got stripped, and yeah, now I'm just trying to put a new bolt on real quick. Because I had to, like, dude, it was just miserable. I had to drill it out to fit the new one in, so I had to basically loosen the whole jack shaft. It was pretty much almost ready to go. It is what it is. So, let's see if we can get this to work how we had it last time. So last time I took this, put it here. Everything should be loose enough. So I put it here to get as good tension. Put this here as well. I don't know how I did it last time, but it worked so well. This was on top. This was on here. I had like essentially had this shit like fucking. This was like held by like a finger. Yeah, something like that. Left, right. It still seems really fucking loose, dude. Probably not good for the jack shaft. Honestly, I might just be bending the axle rather than fucking tightening anything at this point, but it is what it is. We'll let the fucking tire handle the It is what it is. That's gonna just be a little bit loose, I guess. Okay, let me just go ahead, go through and tighten everything, and then we will continue to see if it runs and drives proper or not. I don't know. The drivetrain on the drive fucking goddamn. The chain on the drive side on this side seems very, very, very tight. I'm gonna put air in it and we'll try to fucking drive it and see what happens, I guess. So give me a second. I wish I could vlog this. I don't know how I would. There's not really a good way to anywhere to put this camera. I don't know. I think she's good, boys. I think she might be good. I don't know. Let's set the camera up and do some laps. I guess we might have to take a link out, drop it down to 26 since maybe it's stretched. I don't know. I really don't. Like, you hear it? I don't know. Yeah, cause like after that ride, look how loose this is. It's just like blown out. I don't know. Maybe we'll take another link out and see if that helps. That might be good enough. I don't fucking know. This one seems to be fine. Unless that one's the one that's making the noise and causing the problem. That one's really tight though. You don't want it to be that tight, honestly, to be completely real. I don't fucking know. I can't win. And this back tire goes flat so fucking fast. Jesus Christ, I did 2 laps with it. But I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to fucking kill ourselves, man. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Either way, thank you for watching. She's gonna just be feisty, I guess, and that's all there is to it. Gotta start working on that guy. We started working on it a little bit the other day, but I gotta clean all this shit up. There's so many tools, dude. My garage goes from clean to dirty to clean to dirty, but either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.